Hello everyone. Good morning dear students. Starting with the same chapter of nutrition and plants. In the last chapter we already studied about the nutrients, autotroph, heterotrophs and about the cells of present in the plants and in the cells, the cell membrane, nucleus, cytoplasm and stomata. Now today we will go about through the how plants prepare their own food by the process of photosynthesis. What do you mean by photosynthesis? A photosynthesis means a photo is light, synthesis to combine. Photo means it is a light and synthesis is to combine. So we find that chlorophyll, sunlight, carbon dioxide and water are necessary to carry out the process of photosynthesis. So in the photosynthesis, main are here the necessary what they are carry out. They are here. First one is chlorophyll. Chlorophyll means chlorophyll here. The leaves having a green pigment are called as a chlorophyll. So overall, the sun is the ultimate source of the energy for the all living organisms. Even we peoples, we animals also, we are dependent upon the what here? The sunlight. Without the sunlight, there is no photosynthesis. When there is no photosynthesis, we will not get the oxygen. So here, overall, the sun is the ultimate source of energy for every living organisms. Now, we will go through the how the photosynthesis will be carrying. So how the plants prepare their own food by the help of. So you know that how the photosynthesis is being carried out by the help of what here. So here it is an equation. Carbon dioxide means CO2. Water you know H2O is equal to sunlight and chlorophyll. So what for preparing the photosynthesis we want here carbon dioxide, water, sunlight and the chlorophyll. But what are the raw materials that which we want by the photosynthesis? The raw materials are here water and minerals, then carbon dioxide, then sunlight. So here water and minerals, how it will be going to the plants? How it is transferred to the plants? By the help of soil. By the help of soil. So where the roots are present in the soil, by the help of the roots, the water and minerals are absorbed and passed or transferred to all the part of the plant and to the leaves. Next we will go to the carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide is being taken by the what here? By the leaves. Then from the stomata. Stomata is the small pores present in the leaves. Pores means I told you small tiny holes present surface of a leaves. So then by the leaves only there is a carrying your respiration that is taking in, it is inhaling the carbon dioxide and giving us the oxygen. Then after that here sunlight, the main source here I told you that overall sun is the ultimate source of energy for all the living organism. So sun, by the sun only there is a chlorophyll. The leaves will take or in the leaves there is a present of a chlorophyll that will attract or it will attract the sun rays and it will take the what here? There is a present of a chlorophyll now. So all we have been got the raw materials to the plants. What are they? Water and the minerals, carbon dioxide, sunlight. So here water and minerals are going to by the soil by the help of the roots, and after that the soil by the soil only the water and minerals are transported to the part of the plants that are the leaves, and that time there is a carrying over the carbon dioxide, and then after that by the help of the sunlight there is a what here? Chlorophyll. Then we will go for the the equation. The overall the leaves are the food factory of a plant. So leaves are the food factories of plants. Understood student? So yeah, now here this equation, when there is a process of a photosynthesis, there will be a occurrence of a carbohydrates and oxygen. So carbohydrate and oxygens have been present when there is a photosynthesis. Then by this there is a converted into a starch in the plant. When you're plugging or tearing the leaves, that time you will get a white substance in that. That is a what here? Starch. Here the process of what here? Photosynthesis, when there is a carry out, and after that we will get the carbohydrates with the oxygen to the plants. So when there is a and both the carbohydrates and the oxygen, when the both converted into the starch, okay, that is a white present in the plants, okay, that is a starch. Overall we have studied about the how the plants are preparing their food. So it is about the autotrophs. In the last session we already studied about the autotrophs. It is about the plants. So till now it is finished about this session, and with the next session we will continue again this chapter. Thank you. Stay home, stay safe.